In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flarto developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!